Today we're diving into the top surf spots in the iconic Santa Cruz. Surf enthusiasts, what's up? This is Tiago. I am going to be going over some of the top surfing spots in Santa Cruz. I went and visited Pleasure Point the other day and went and talked to people, interviewed some of the locals, asking them what would be a great place to go and start surfing if you were just getting started. Also, if you were a little bit more intermediate, and definitely if you were advanced. So come check it out. This is what I found out. Our first stop is Pleasure Point. This is one of my local favorites. Known for its long right-hand point break, Pleasure Point offers consistent waves and a laid-back atmosphere. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned surfers seeking that classic California surf experience. Next up, the legendary Steamer Lane. With its powerful waves and iconic lighthouse backdrop, this is where the pros come to showcase their skills. Steamer Lane is the heartbeat of Santa Cruz surfing. There's a lot of surfing competitions there, and it's great for attracting thrill seekers and spectators alike. You can see some of the best surfing in Santa Cruz there. Right down from that is Cowell Beach, a family-friendly gem. Ideal for beginners, it offers a mellow beach break and a picturesque setting. It's the perfect spot for those taking their first steps on a board or just enjoying a leisurely surf day. Now let's explore another hidden gem. This is one of the ones that the locals kept talking to me about, especially if you're a beginner, and that is Capitola Beach. Known for its charming village and colorful beachside houses, Capitola offers a more relaxed surf experience. The gentle waves and sandy bottom make it an excellent spot for longboarders and those looking for a more laid-back vibe. Don't take my word for it, let's go check out what the locals said. What's like good surf spots around here?
Yeah, I would say probably around Capitola, which is down the street right here.
Okay.
Just by the first jetty. There's that coffee.
And then if I get more intermediate?
I would say you can even start pushing out more towards the point actually. So there's the hook right here. That's usually like, you get a good mix of beginners and intermediate. There's just a lot of people there. So if you feel like you need to get more comfortable with like navigating the water, I wouldn't recommend there because it's just a lot. There's just a sheer volume.
So if you're really good, Pleasure Point's a good spot.
What would be a good place to get started at?
Down here, right at the end of 30 years, you just get in the water right there.
It's a good wave too. It's like super mellow, super long, just kind of peels off.
Intermediate,
Is this a good place for intermediate or beginners?
beginner for sure.
Okay, all right. Are you a surfer?
Yeah, I surf every day.
What's the best places to surf out here?
Right here. See how low the tide is? And see how little the waves are and how good they are still? Dude, when this wave on, it's world class.
But definitely Cowell's.
Cool.
It's a good vibe there. Just have fun. Go out with someone who's done it before. Now, before you hit the wave, let's talk safety. Always wear your leash, be aware of local regulations, and respect the ocean. Santa Cruz is beautiful, but it demands our respect. Surf smart and have a blast. Now let's soak in the beauty of Santa Cruz. From the towering cliffs to the endless waves, this is a surf paradise like no other. It's not just about the waves, it's a way of life. Explore the surf shops, grab a cup of coffee, and immerse yourself in the unique surf culture that defines Santa Cruz. Well, that wraps up our journey through the top surf spots in Santa Cruz and Capitola. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or just a beginner, Santa Cruz has something for everybody. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to hit the like button and share your favorite Santa Cruz surf memories in the comments. Subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, ride the waves and stay stoked. Cowabunga, bro!